This is Gatsby, and this is Friday, our 5th day of training. So I'm going to go over all the things that we've learned. So we started with, since he was a puppy, we started with touching all the body parts, checking the ears, making sure he was okay with that, looking at his teeth. He's very good about that. We also checked his paws. Very nice, good boy. He lets me touch everything. He's a little bit temperamental with his feet, but he's pretty good. Good boy. We also give him lots of belly rubs. Lay down. Down. Give me your belly. And we do belly rubs. Yay! Good job. This is a nice reward for the dog at the end of training or at the beginning. Okay, free up. Okay. We're going to start with the sit command. Free. Have him on my left side. I'm going to make sure that I have his attention before I give him a command. Gatsby, sit. Good boy. Very nice. Stay. Good boy. There you go. Much better. Good. Free. Good job. Yay. Next, we're going to start the down command and do a long stay with that. So, Gatsby's itchy there. Come on, Gatsby. Ready? Down. Good boy. Good job. Very nice. I am still using the clicker and doing rewards for the down command. And you can also stay. Good boy. Very nice. Good job. Very nice. Good job. Okay, free. Good boy, free. Ah, yay! Good job. Very nice. Next, we're going to do the place command. I'm going to lead the dog onto the place and just say the word place when he gets onto the place. And then I'm going to give him a stay command. Boy. Good job. We have other people and another dog working in the facility, in the arena next to us, so there's a lot of distractions. We've also had other dogs working in the arena, and he can still do this, so he's doing very well at his place. Good boy. Very nice. Free. Good job. Excellent. Okay. His name recognition, where we practice having him reply to us when we call his name, is we're still using the clicker for that. We're just teaching him his name. Well, we're going to go out. Just walk with him. Let's go. Let's go. When he turns away. Good boy. When he turns and looks at me, I'm just going to go ahead and click the clicker and pay him. I'm just wanting him to reply to me when I call his name. The other way you can do a name recognition is actually just have the dog pay attention and look at you, and I use a watch look command and the dog's name. So I'll say, Gatsby, watch. Good boy. Click and pay. Very nice. So if I lose the dog's attention, I'll just show him the food again. Watch. Good boy. Very nice. Free. Good job. So I'll use his name and the watch command together, so that's kind of a 2-in-1. We also did some loose leash walking with him, which he did really nicely. And we're just going to pay him as we walk along. He's practicing walking loose leash by my side. Okay. I'm also using the clicker. We're using the clicker for all the commands, and we're trying to, some of them we've already started to wean him off of, some we're still using. Okay, ready? Let's go. Let's go. Good job. something that we're working on, is to get him to actually sit a little bit closer. He actually likes to push his butt out a little bit. And when I'm working on that, I like to be against a wall or a fence area where he can't actually slide out, and I'll show you that. Good boy, sit. Sit. Good, very nice. This way his butt stays into the person and he doesn't pull away. All right, good boy. Free. Very nice. We also have been teaching the leave it command, which he does very nicely. I'm gonna have the food in my hand, show it to the dog. When he comes for it, I'm just gonna ask him to leave it. Good. As soon as he backs off, I go ahead and pay him. I actually want to pay with the other hand. So my mistake. Free. Again, we're doing leave it. Leave it. Good boy. There we go. Very nice. Good job. The second phase of leave it command is the open hand. When he comes for that, I'm going to go ahead and wait till he backs off. If he comes and tries to get the food, I'll go ahead and close my hand. Ready? Leave it. Good boy. Very nice. Good job. Free, come on, let's go. I think he's getting tired. The last phase of the leave it command is when you accidentally drop something on the floor that the dog really can't have, and we want to teach him leave it. So I'm going to throw the food down. Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. When he turns around and looks at me, I click and pay him for being a good boy. I know he's still focused on the food, but I'm going to wait until he looks at me. Good boy. Yay. Feed him over here, and then that way I can go and pick up whatever it is that I dropped that he can't have. All right?